Hey guys, I'm here with a fast, easy and practical tutorial. Let's do it! Number 1. Blink. First, make a new comp, then a new solid. Type your desired title. Now, right-click, Create mask from text. By this way, we have all the letters separately. Open A, keyframing mask opacity. First 0, go forward 2 frames, 100, 1 to 0, 1 to 100, 1 to 0, 1 to 100, help! Great! If there are two masks from the same letter, give the same keyframe to both of them. Next letter. Copy the last 4 keyframes and paste 2 frames later. Repeat it again and again. Yes! How to shine. First, change the color text, so add fill effect from effects and presets. Then add glow. Set glow radius to 12. Duplicate the glow effect. Set radius to 62. Duplicate radius to 526. Type a new text. Copy the 3 glow effects and paste on the new text. Keyframing opacity like mask opacity 0, 100, 0, 100. I repeated the same steps for the shape. And gave it wiggle position effect. By this setting. I duplicate shape and put 2 frames between them. This is it. Number 2. Make a new comp, new solid, new text, new color. Open layer, from animate, add tracking, then from add property, add position and opacity. Now opacity on 0, set position on 100, open range, advance, set shape on ramp up, easy low 100. At the end, keyframing offset minus 100 to 100. Duplicate. Move forward a bit. Here's the result. Number 3. New comp. I need a background. Now duplicate it Get it lighter. Change mode to dissolve. Decrease opacity. Well, now find some video ink and green screen dust footage. Just search free alpha ink and free green screen dust in Google. You can download, and I will put some of them in the description. Keep going. Import the footage to the comp. Type the title. Dissolve. Opacity 18. Add ink above the text. Change track matte to Luma invert matte. Then change timing by stretch 33. Tip: if these clones are inactive for view, right click here and add them. See, wherever there is black, the text can be seen. Now draw a line by pen. Set a stroke. Dissolve mode. Opacity 18. Open layer. From add, select trim path and keyframing the end. 0, 100. Duplicate the line. Right click, transform, flip horizontal. Move it below the text. Parent all the layers except the background. Now I give a scale and position to the text. Separate position. Scale 95, position a little above. Select the keys and press F9. Select Y position, go to the graph editor. I want the end of the movement to be as slow and as smoother, so make the end of the graph a little softer. Turn off the dust. Fix it. Add key light effect. Choose the green screen. Oh, I like the key light.
That sounds good.
I change the dust time by stretching and moving the layer to coordinate by the text. Keyframing opacity dust after the text appears. Congratulations! Interesting tutorials are waiting for you, so be sure to subscribe me and activate the bell. Good luck, guys!